Okay.
Hi, I'm John. I had really bad dental teeth problems before I started this program. My teeth are really bad. Either do dental work for the rest of my life or just a one-time shot, and I chose the one-time shot. The process has been really, really easy and very unpainful, and I was really surprised with that. Everything came out really nice and smooth. I had no issues with the treatment. In other words, it didn't hurt. Just the beginning operation with the gums. But otherwise, it's been a smooth journey. This is the best thing I've ever done for myself, and I think I will be very happy. Peace out.